Forex Trading explained. Forex trading is buying and selling currencies. It's a huge global market. You trade currency pairs, like euro and US dollar. Buy if you think one will strengthen. Sell if you think it will weaken. Forex operates 24 hours, 5 days a week. Trade anytime. Leverage lets you control larger positions with less capital. This can increase profits and losses. Education is key. Use demo accounts to practice. Learn market trends. Develop strategies. Manage risk carefully. Forex trading can be lucrative but requires knowledge. Trade responsibly. Subscribe for more insights on Forex and making money online.